Yo, Ian pulling in right on time. Holy, why does that thing look so good though? Look at this thing, look at this. Bruh. Dude, we finished that thing in the daytime and it looks, I mean, we finished at night and it looks insane. Look at this. You're good? You're good? That paint, boys. Bruh. Perfect. That's good. No, you're good. You're good. Every single time. Perfect. Perfect. It's good. All right. I'm still in my pajamas, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right. What's up, guys? Ian's here. I just changed, and we are about to be building this CTR rear diffuser. Well, we're revamping it. We're not really building it. All we're doing, since we did the side skirt extensions last time, we're going to be extending this out. Oh, also, if you guys were wondering where the part 2 of the CTR side skirts video is, it kind of got lost. My phone got full and I deleted them on accident because I thought I already transferred them to my computer. But here's the CTR. Here is the final result of the sides. We finished it last time he was here, but yeah, I don't know why I deleted the footage, but that happened, and I'll definitely get you guys a very detailed cinematic later on in the video, so stick around until then. But that's what we're doing. We're gonna be extending this one piece outwards to match up with this, because if you look from above, you can see that this sticks out about 1 inch out, and this is pretty much flush to the back. So we're gonna go push that out 1 inch, and I think we might have time to also put some like rear spats, mud guards things in the back, but we're definitely doing them in the front. So I'm gonna put carbon fiber wrap spats over here. That's gonna go all the way down to the splitter. So from the front, it'll look really cool. It'll pretty much block the front tire. So that's the plan. This paint's really nice. Dang. Well, actually it's wrapped. And I believe Endless Auto Salon actually did that. This is the sickest front windshield banner I've ever seen. And I'm gonna be stealing that style for sure. Not the whole entire style, but this little divot that goes down that says Auto Salon. Definitely stealing that. Super sick. But yeah, that's enough talking. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. And let's get to work. And subscribe if you haven't. Let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go grab some tools and we're gonna go drill out these 3 rivets right here. 1, 2, 3. This whole side's gonna drop, and then we'll be able to remove this top piece after that. So we're gonna do it to both sides, and then we'll be good. So yeah. All right, guys, there we go. We got one side pretty much prepped. We're gonna be doing this with nuts and bolts, and that'll look real good. Let's fit these up and see how they look. That was really nice. So on the bottom, I had to remove these because they were not being nice. So we gotta go rivet a new one really quick. Ooh, money. All right, so that's one side. We just need to go ahead and nut and bolt this side in. Side's done, and then we gotta go mount the fin back up here. I'm gonna go bolt this one up. We're gonna go knock out the other side, and then we'll go out to the front and close out today's build. All right, guys, check out the difference from this side to this side. So just look how thin it is compared to the new design. We're still gonna be adding to this the fin that's on the other side. We're just gonna be throwing it back onto here, but that's it. Looks really good. Let's go knock this out. right, guys, the rear is complete. Ian's adding some pinstripe to it, make it look a little bit different. What'd you guys think? What'd you think about this idea? Pinstriping the whole box of it, so from the rear it looks like a square. Let me know in the comment section below. But the rear is complete, an inch wider than it used to be. I'll show you guys more in a little bit when Ian's underwear is not showing. But yeah, that's it. Let's go knock out the front. We got to make it a little bit more aggressive, so we're gonna add spats. I'm just gonna have Ian turn his wheels a little bit. We're gonna get to work and knock it out, and that'll be it. Let's get it. Now you just got to turn your wheel. Oh well, your key's still in there, right?
Just don't turn it on. My face is on the exhaust.
Gonna turn it on.
Okay.
All right, so now we're down here. I'm basically gonna just use this side of everything. I'm gonna use this hole, all the holes available, so that we're not making new holes. That way, you're not actually drilling extra holes into it. Let's go make some Type R spats. All right, so we kind of have all the holes now. Let's go check out the front. Idea how it's gonna look. So we're gonna wrap those in carbon fiber to to match the lip, and I'll probably do only where the red line is, so it's not that crazy looking. Sick. We got the whole thing cut out, pretty much shaped so that it clears everything in the fender well. And now we're gonna go lay this out onto the ABS and cut 2 of these out. All right, there we go, guys. It's complete. We sanded everything smooth. Now we're just gonna wash everything off, clean off the imperfections, and wrap these really quick. We'll be right back with them complete. Boom, there we go, guys. Carbon fiber wrapped on one side, ABS on the other. If you guys are interested in these, let me know. Let's go throw these onto the car. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Nice little touch. Yo, perfect fit. Yo. Yeah, that's what we're going for. All right, that's it. This side's on. And this side's on. Insane stuff. On another note, check out that side skirt canard. It's actually behind that. And that design just came out super sick. Really like the turnout of that. But that's pretty much the build. Let's go check it out real quick. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, if you guys did, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want. But that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Until then.